I don't know if y'all know it, but we're gonna win. I don't know if you feel it, but we're gonna win. I don't know if you can see it, but we're gonna win. You got to understand, we're gonna win right now.
What is up, YouTube? We're back at it with another video. Random, I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. I'm in the Hellcat. In the Hell Kitty. So right now we're gonna go take some pictures of the car. I'm gonna link up with my boy. We're gonna take some pictures, videos, see what's up, what we can get, see what content we get right now. Honestly, I'm just freestyling right now. I don't know what we're gonna get into, but I gotta film something, you know? It's been raining all day today. The sky looks cloudy, depressing, but we're gonna make the best out of it today. See what shots we can get. Didn't clean the car, it's all wet, but still, we're gonna see what's up. I'm also on drag radio, so a little sketchy, but hey man, it is what it is. We gotta risk it for the biscuit. I need to clean my steering wheel. Holy crap, bro. I literally got this steering wheel and I haven't cleaned it not once. And it's an expensive steering wheel too. I'm tripping. Bro, what do I got running with my car? Look at all these lights, bro. Race car. And then this thing is fucking chopping like crazy. Holy crap. Bro, the guy behind me is like tripping out because my car's just shaking. Who said Mopar can't sound good with a cam, bro? Who said that? Because this Mopar chopping. And I've had a cammed LS before, so this is pretty close to that, honestly. I ain't even gonna cap. It's pretty close. But let me stop talking. I'm gonna get right into the video. I'm gonna give you guys a little POV, me driving the Hellcat, and yeah. Not gonna lie, this thing is loud as fuck. Look, CTSV. Hey. This thing is loud as fuck. I'm not surprised. I won't be surprised if they kick us out. No cap. Last time I came to a parking garage, I got kicked out. Let's see if we get in trouble. Damn, dude. Oh, people don't like my car. Look. She's mad. I'm sorry. Sorry, I have a race car. Views, boys. No cap, I ain't never been to this parking garage and I live here. So this is a good little spot. I'm gonna start coming here more often if we don't get kicked out. So I have another parking garage, but literally as soon as I enter, the security tells me to leave. So that's annoying. Pulls up in his little freaking golf cart. Like, bro, let me take some pictures. God damn. I ain't doing no disturbance. Just literally taking pictures. They low-key be salty as fuck. I got a Hellcat. No cat. Sarasota, downtown. We lit. Let's see what Brett talking about. Oh man. Oh. Damn, why my LED not working? Am I tripping? Yeah. Yeah, that shit's not on. Hold up, let me fix that real quick. There you go, now we talking. Yeah. Not gonna lie, this color looks... I don't like how it looks whenever it's like, there's no sun. When it's like cloudy, I don't like how it looks. It looks like dark and green and ugly. Oh no. Under the light, that shit pops. Little clip of the chop. Pictures, videos, everything. I'm gonna put my boy's information if y'all need any videos or pictures taken of your car. But you guys will see the end result right now. Well, probably not right now, but once it's all edited and everything. Alright, gang, that's all she wrote. Hopefully we can get this content out quick. If not, I'm gonna post this video without the content we just got right now, and I'll post that on a separate video if we can't get that ASAP, because I need to start posting more, and I'm trying to post today. So I'm trying to get as much content as I can for you guys to stay on top of my shit, you feel me? No cap, right now I'm kind of sketched out, sprinkling a little bit. I'm on drag radials. I'm going straight to the shop, drop this bitch off. I'm not trying to get in no accident. I need to get the lighting for the interior too, so POV can look a little bit better. I've seen that before in other videos. I think it'll look nice. Gotta get that for the Trackhawk and the Hellcat. Oh man, I'm tired. Bro, Sarasota from this view looks freaking beautiful, dog. Damn, boy. That's art. Yeah. Let me put the window down because it's a little bit too dark in here. I got 5% all around and 20% on my windshield. So that shit do be dark, boy. Man, sometimes, no cap, sometimes I feel like just putting this whole back to stock. Not stock, but like a couple bolt-ons. Cause, bro, I don't even drive this car at all no more. It's literally just chilling at the shop, collecting dust, man. And I love to drive my cars, bro. Look at this idiot, bro. Don't know how to drive. Golly. Happy. But yeah, man, look at the views, Little. Sorry. Scared ya. Man, I love coming downtown. Oh my God. I need to get a better camera too, because this is not it, bro. This iPhone quality is not it. But these cameras prices aren't it either. Fucking camera about 4K for fucking camera and lens, dog. That's ridiculous. And the camera I want is 4K alone. It's like a $6,000 freaking setup. I'm really not trying to do all that right now. Bro, this thing is crazy. This thing is crazy, boy. Yeah, man, y'all need any work done to y'all vehicles? Y'all let me know, bro. Especially Hellcats. Y'all need to hit my shop up. We work on Hellcats, Chevy, fucking Mustangs, everything, bro. If it has 4 wheels, we'll work on it. Bro, what is this? Just says my check engine light is 2%, 3%. What is that? It's just incorrect, bro. I think I can switch it too. Let's see. 58% fuel. Let me see my speed. There you go. That's the one I like. I don't think the other things are too accurate. The views. Trying to think, should I make this car spit flames or what, man? Low-key been thinking about it. I low-key been thinking about it. No cap, this car has about 10 more passes at the track. After that, we're gonna go back to like 1,000 horsepower, bro, because it's just ridiculous. I need drivability back. I need to have fun with my car more, man, because this track shit is not it, bro. Yeah, it's fun or whatever, but it's not really me. It's not really me. I like to drive my car every day on some like nice wheels, fitment, nice and freaking low. Feel me? I don't really like this fitment my car has right now. Yeah, it looks nice and whatever, but it's not me. It's definitely not me. I need me some Hot Boy wheels. My car on bags, on its nuts, I don't know if y'all ever seen my Z01, but that's basically my type of style right there. But then again, I don't know, man. I don't know. I just be talking my mouth off, bro. I just be talking, cause at the track I'd be happy as fuck. So I don't know. We'll see if the Trackhawk gives me that joy, and makes me like keep this shit fast as fuck. But as of right now, it's too loud for me. Can't drive it because drag radials, if it rains, then I can't freaking drive it. I'll freaking crash. Can't take it home because it's too loud. Bro, it's just a bunch of shit that prevents me from enjoying my car, bro. Literally. I think I've had this car for 2 years now. So, and in those 2 years, it's been straight abuse, bro. I haven't really enjoyed my car. It's just been in and out of the shop all the time, doing different stuff to it, breaking, upgrading parts. Like, that shit low-key be getting tiring. Like, let me just drive my car, bro. Like, enjoy it. I don't even got my stock supercharger no more, bro. And that's why I bought a Hellcat. Because of the whine. This bitch don't even whine. I can't even hear the whine because the loud ass exhaust. Nah, but that shit do sound good. I ain't even gonna lie. That shit sounds nice. It does kind of whine a little bit. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to y'all. But it's not the it's not the sound that I like. It's more like muffled. Oh my god. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. We got the shop a little bit packed. Trackhawk, my cat, my Trackhawk in the work. CTSV and another Trackhawk, a GT500. But yeah, let me know if y'all like this type of video. Hopefully I can edit it today and put it out. But that's it.